We're explaining how to execute a procedure in Oracle. There are several ways to do this, depending on your needs and environment. Using SQL+. This is a command line tool that comes with Oracle. To execute a procedure, you simply type execute procedure name parameters, replacing procedure name with the actual name of your procedure, and parameters with any input parameters it requires, enclosed in parentheses and separated by commas. If your procedure doesn't take any parameters, you just use the procedure name. For example, to run a procedure called update employee salary that takes an employee ID and a new salary as input, you would type execute update employee salary 123,60,000 and press enter. If the procedure has an out parameter, which returns a value, you'll need to declare a variable to store the result. For instance, if getEmployeeName returns the employee's name, declare vname varchar 100. Begin getEmployeeName 123 vname dbms output putline vname end, and the OS signifies the end of the anonymous PL SQL block. Remember to enable dbms SOS output using setServerOutputOn before running this. 2. Using SQL Developer. This is a graphical tool provided by Oracle. You can execute procedures through the SQL worksheet. Simply type the execute statement, just as you would in SQL+, into the worksheet and click the Run button. SQL Developer offers the benefit of a more user-friendly interface, including syntax highlighting and error detection. Furthermore, SQL Developer allows you to easily manage variables if you need to pass parameters or capture output values. You can create variables within the SQL worksheet to store out parameters and review their results after execution. B. Calling a procedure from another PL SQL block. Procedures can be called from within other PL SQL code, such as other procedures, functions, or anonymous blocks. This is a very common way to organize and reuse code. Inside another PL SQL block, you would simply call the procedure using its name and parameters, much like in the execute statement. Example, within a procedure, you could have a line like update employee salary, employee ID, new salary. 4. Handling exceptions. Procedures should ideally handle potential errors gracefully. This is achieved using exception blocks within the procedure's definition. These blocks catch errors and allow you to handle them appropriately, preventing unexpected program termination. For example, you could check for specific exceptions such as no data found or SQL code to inform the user about the error and take corrective actions. Debugging. When troubleshooting issues, you might need to debug procedures. SQL Developer offers debugging capabilities. You can set breakpoints, step through code, and inspect variables to track down the root cause of problems within your procedure. Thorough debugging is essential for reliable application development. Learning to use the debugging facilities within your development environment will save you significant time and frustration.